We are at 3420 40th Avenue West, post jetting. I was able to get the route out. That was at about 38 to 39, 40 feet. Starting at the interior clean out this time and going all the way to City, Maine. We're still in cash right now. Our repair, and then where we shot liner is going to be coming up on where we jetted out the route, which was right here. Route is no longer there. Pushing out. Now in the portion that is lined. A little bit of a belly. And it should be coming up on City, Maine here shortly. We're at City, Maine.